Get ready. We start in 3, 2, 1, go!
The first autonomous of our playoff round here at the Michiana Premier event on the Croft division underway. This Red Alliance looking to try and cement a very high score. They set our division high back in the qualifications at 431 points non-penalized. Blue Alliance as well, churning through artifacts with 13 seconds left to go. Royal Society of Robotics out of Oklahoma, returning back to that launch zone. 1, 2, 3 off them, going 2 for 3 into the ramp. Taking those artifacts right back down to go and shoot once more as autonomous expires.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
Red Alliance leads 119-49 with 35 artifacts up for red and 13 for blue. Now both alliances looking to churn through these artifacts as fast as they can. Ice Robotics playing the far field for the Red Alliance. Meta Infinity staying close in. Both of these machines looking to churn through these artifacts as fast as they can. Looks like a parallel strategy playing out over on the Blue Alliance. 26-9-49 Royal Robotics generally playing the near field, while their alliance partners 14-7-39 Metal Benders out of Michigan playing of the far. Both them now down near that Blue Alliance's secret tunnel, taking onboard artifacts and swinging along. But Ice Robotics looking to cement their spot in that far launch zone. Now Royal Society finally getting through to take their chance to fire. 217-86 is the Red Alliance lead, coming into 1:10 left in match play. These alliances still quickly looking to churn through. Looks like these alliances really splitting up their traffic flow. Seems to be generally sticking to the same strategies for now. Ice Robotics playing some seemingly opportunistic defense on Metal Benders. Metal Benders are now loading up with the Blue Secret Tunnel. They're heading back to the far launch zone, swinging around to other areas, though. We'll see how they try to opt to go. Seemingly almost waiting for Ice Robotics, though Ice swings right on in to their own corner of the launch zone, generally working around Metal Benders as the Red Alliance lead expands with 35 seconds to go. Red already closing in on 100 artifacts put up with 321 points on the board. With 30 seconds left to go, these teams still flying around the field and doing what they can to cement a lead for their own respective alliances. Endgame has arrived. 350-145 is that Red Alliance lead. Red still trying to cement a growing lead here in this match and show off a strong start to their playoff round as they try to make it to our Michiana Grand Finals in the end. 5 seconds to go. These alliances look like they're going for Parks. Ice Robotics going for a tip up for full.
The winner is Red Alliance! The score of 420 points. Alliance number 1 is winning. Alliance Blue